Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you how to sell stocks on eToro. So to do this, you just have to go and open up your eToro and then just go to your portfolio. And then once you're here in your portfolio, you will see all your positions. So for example, I have a little bit of a Tesla stock. So if I would like to sell one of my positions or even all of them, just have to click on the stock and that you want to sell. So click on this and then you will see all your positions here. So from here, you have two options. You can either click on close on the specific position that you want to close, or if you want to close all of your position, then you can click on the close all. And then they will be all sold at once. And now I only have one, so for me, it doesn't matter. So I'll just click on close right here. And then from here, you can see your profit or loss. Then you can see the return that you have made. And if you want to, then go ahead and confirm it. And then you can click on close trade and you will also see the estimated closing. So it cost at the bottom here, which in this case, it's $1. Now, since the market is closed right now, the trade will also be closed. So when the market opens, so the price and return can then slightly differ, but just going to click the trade and then it will also be sold. And that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.